I found out about this character, Tupaia, there was a complete connection. There's all these things making sense in this jigsaw puzzle.
What are the chances of the first significant contact between Europeans and Māori, there being a high priest from Rarotongan? There's just no doubt, you know, Tupaia was absolutely pivotal to most of the Endeavour voyage.
Cookie over here, he's looking directly at Tupaia.
He stood here on this altar and he waves farewell, giving an ohaki, a speech of farewell to his people.
Tupaia might have possibly said, bro, I tried to make them come through the islands, but the eggs went straight south, so we crossed through some pretty choppy, heavy, cold sea.
He must have been one of ours. What's he doing with Cook?
Yeah, I'm having a moment, bro.
To our people, he was the chief. He was the captain of that boat.